Eh? I never stop in it.
Surprise, surprise.
Surprise, surprise.
Thinking I'm gonna see like the end of the year or early next year.
Yeah, I'm here again.
Yeah, man, I kind of got bored of being in
The resort. Yeah.
So I have to stretch my leg and
Yeah.
something different, do something different.
True.
Because if I stay there, I'm gonna get crazy by myself. You know?
I might as well come back here, man.
Here it left.
Yeah.
So you have no more entertainment.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Eh? I never stop in it.
Surprise, surprise.
Surprise.
Thinking I'm gonna see like the end of the year or early next year.
Yeah, I'm here again.
Yeah, man, I kind of got bored of being in
The resort. Yeah.
So I have to stretch my leg and
Yeah.
something different, do something different.
True.
Because if I stay there, I'm gonna get crazy by myself. You know?
I might as well come back here, man.
Here it left.
Yeah.
So you have no more entertainment.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So before we leave, you know, so we're gonna speed it up because I know he wanna go play football.
Yeah.
It's not up to my speed, you know. I mean, he can beat me now because I'm.
Yeah. Him have it. Yeah, him have it.
Not the touch, man. When I say not the touch, I'm not touching that Marvin. I just show him. I want to see him at the ball.
They got half pizza? Oh, guys. Sanitize your hand, please, and all of it. Just put it here underneath. You can go.
So, by the way, viewers, we're at Devon House. Yeah, so we're at Devon House having dinner.
Come on, thank you.
You were here before, right?
Yeah,
I mean early on.
yeah, we came and left.
Okay. I now remember too. Kino.
At it again.
I live on Carla, aka
Diana.
She's like a princess, you know?
That name have been ringing a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, the name been active, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the name been active, Diana. And this trip, it was pure Diana.
Here, Diana.
Diana. You hardly hear Carla.
Yeah.
It's straight Diana.
Pleasure to see you again, Baja.
Me too, you know.
Yeah.
I hear about it and I just say, yeah, I just know that those guys are going to enjoy themselves because you people are so good being around us.
Yeah.
Always been there for us. I tell you so, I know they will feel comfortable in themselves just being around.
Yeah, I had a good time in my estimation.
You would. The present alone.
Yeah.
That energy that you send off.
Oh, me,
No? People normally when them being around people, them get a little edgy and jiggy, but for them see the facial expression.
Yeah.
They're comfortable.
Welcome, you know.
Comfortable.
Yeah.
No, it can't change. Yeah, who we are. That can never change, you know. No matter how you try it. Go and just come out.
Yeah. And it was a lovely experience still.
Yeah.
You know? It's much different from the jewel paradise that we went to, you know.
Okay.
Much bigger.
Yeah.
Like a community itself.
Kayaking.
And yeah, we do kayaking, we do more little thing.
Let me tell you what Kino did, right? The resort is split in two.
Yeah.
He dubbed one side the ghetto side.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a nice place.
Yeah, cause one side lively.
One side is nice and one side is ghetto.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Cause I see the luxury part is more quiet. The luxury part is more
The
uptownish.
most important thing is your food, because you don't take the time to look after. And if you order chicken, I'm not going to try to change your mind, but you know it takes a while because of the soak. Chicken.
What do you mean soak?
Make like thaw out, it's in the freezer.
No.
Oh.
Soak mean while you're cooking, you know, we don't want to give you raw. So I'm just telling you, if you want the chicken, fine, but it takes a while.
So you cook it fresh?
Everything you got, you eat, you cook fresh.
Shit. So
Except for the curry goat, you know that.
So you have everything here on the menu?
Yes.
Everything is on the menu?
Actually, basically.
Seafood like fish?
Yes, we have fish.
Kino. I know you might not be interested in eating anything, but do you want to order something to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was order the fish to go. So what about, well, fish not take long still. Fish is like
No, the fish alright. It's just the chicken I'm talking about.
You have curry
okay.
goat?
Yes, we have curry.
Curry goat
Local
ready.
goat? Local goat? Yes, it is local. We have curry, we work with a curry. How many persons have curry goat?
2 so far. 4
No,
so
so
far.
like 5.
Four and one fish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ask him about the fish you have here.
Yeah, what type of fish you
It's
got?
snapper and it's an old fish.
Old fish. Okay. With them fry or steam?
Okay, it is done 4 ways. It's escabeche, which is fried and it's spicy. You have steam, you have in brown stew, and you also have it in coconut sauce.
Okay, yeah, I'll have the one in coconut sauce.
Coconut sauce, and you want it with steamed bami.
Yeah.
Okay, so urine is to go.
Yeah.
And you have it 4 curry goat.
Yeah.
Let me put in that and come back.
You guys want
And it's with rice and peas, right?
Yes, rice and peas and steamed vegetables.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sounds good to me.
Tell him to spice it up.
Spiced up.
Excuse me.
Hello.
Yeah.
At least one of them.
One of them is spice up a wrong thing.
What them?
Drink.
Oh.
Hot.
Oh,
No.
Not your food.
Oh, not the food,
not the
drink.
food,
Oh.
Rum.
You come back and take some drink orders?
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Because the food is more important.
Yeah, man. Do your thing.
Okay.
Thank you.
The badger want it well hot.
So today's an off day for you, or you?
No, just come off the
Oh, you
job.
just come.
Here, let
I'm
me-
going
let
on
me tell you
tonight.
this, okay?
Yeah.
Because I discovered something about you that I didn't know.
What was that?
You ate 7 burgers.
Yeah. 7 burger, be a burger you eat.
Since once I found that out, order what you want.
Yeah. You can't order
One
for
won't
him.
do you, you know, order whatever you want.
You didn't even get a side. One side.
What am I missing?
I'm just saying the dining spot over
Oh.
here is nice, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, just check out your room.
Yeah. Roof.
You know,
Well covered.
nice canopy. You know, you get the light coming through.
Yeah. Nice spot. So in the night, you know, they just light up these liquor.
Yeah.
Oh, you got bulbs in the shell. It's calabash.
Calabash, yeah.
Yeah, calabash. So the run used to look nice in the night, I can imagine. Look at that lights them turn on, you know.
I won't be here for it because I gotta beat that 7 o'clock curfew.
But I know that some people work from country.
Well, I bet they arrest the people in
Have to get back.
they arrest the people in their neighborhood.
Yeah. Yes, this. But the next thing is, if it's 7 o'clock, I'm give it 8 o'clock a run.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, still have an extra hour.
To make it where you're going.
Yeah, we'll make it very good.
I was actually, if you want it up here.
Sometime.
Yeah, I'm icing it because that's all.
Good man.
Right there?
Yes.
Yeah.
See, when you touch it and you feel the face. Again,
Just
you
miss
know,
painting
say,
out.
you
Yeah.
know, it's right.
Yeah. Paint are missing now.
Oliver.
Oliver.
I'm glad to have you again.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
It's a pleasure
Yeah,
as
man.
usual at all
Yeah,
times.
man.
Mm-hmm.
Really glad to have you. You know, I know that guys them enjoy themselves
Yes.
and the present them feel good within themselves.
I'm not attempting to speak on their behalf or speak for them, but I think they had a good time.
know
You
that.
know what? I'm not guessing because they did say.
No, they did because I saw it
Yeah.
and the little shots them that comes out and I say, thumbs up, baby. You know,
And when them reach,
smiling and feeling good about themselves, and that's the intention.
yeah,
Make people feel good about themselves.
yeah.
Appreciate it and you know, there's life out here to live.
You know, like I said to them, you know, it became more apparent to me that a lot of people that see at the resorts, you know, local people, and they can't afford to participate. You know, so it's kind of nice that I can actually help a few people. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, man, you can't take anything with you.
No. See, that's to make the best of it now.
Yeah, but you make somebody a little bit
Yeah,
happier,
yeah,
you know,
happy,
even for a day or two,
yeah,
you know.
yeah, you know, that's good.
That's
you
the
know?
least you can do because
Yeah,
you can't
man.
take anything with you.
Yeah,
No.
Like I've said, I've been there before.
yeah,
I've been on the other side there. I didn't know where my next meal was coming from and all that kind of stuff. So it's not like I was born with anything. You know, just got lucky and things turned in my favor. You know, and I don't have to worry about those things anymore.
so we understand
Yeah, yeah.
people who are less fortunate because
I am more that than this. You understand that?
yeah,
This is my identity.
right.
This is a new identity for me.
Yeah, for
I'm
you,
trying to
you're
adjust to
learning this one.
But
Yes,
that's me.
that-
I don't have to
yeah.
practice that. I know
Right.
that. You know what I'm
True,
saying? So
true.
I identify with that.
Yeah, right. True.
That's
You know, sometimes in these things, I even hear talking now, we just have to be appreciative about yourself and just try to do the best for us and others. We can't live for ourselves alone.
No.
So always try to share. If you don't even have it to give financially, but a words of encouragement to make yourself better.
the most successful people in the world are the ones that provide for more people.
Right. Yeah.
If you are just for yourself only, I'm not saying you won't find success,
Yeah.
but you won't be as successful as the person who's providing for
Thriving for others. Yeah. Bringing up somebody with you at all.
Yes, you know, if you're just for yourself, I mean,
Not gonna work.
how many cars can you drive? How many food can you eat? How many houses can you sleep in?
One at a time.
You know what I mean? So if you're providing,
Yeah.
it gives you
That stability there, you know.
the ability to multitask and think and think outside the box.
Right.
You have to do so much more, and you have the same amount of time in the day like the guy who's just taking care of himself. But you have to do more with that time. You know? And that's important.
And that mean it really give me a joy and a pleasure. Always can assist others.
Yeah.
Do something. Yeah, I don't have it that I can do the things that I wanted to do for people. But in any way that I can, I always try to assist and try to make somebody else a little comfortable.
That's the extent of what I do. You know, I try to assist because you can't provide the full plate for the person.
No.
You know, you have to leave something for them to do.
Right. Yeah.
So I'm more interested in helping a person who I see trying to do something.
Yeah.
I can assist you, but I'm not going to be your source. That you're not going to go to work and you're just going to sit there and wait for me to show up.
Yeah.
But if you're building that, I'll bring you some bricks.
Yeah.
You know, I'll assist you to get there. But I'm not going to be your source. I can't be your source.
Yeah.
Because if you try to be the source for people, what's going to happen? You're going to end up being just like them.
Yeah.
Because they're going to take everything you have.
Yeah.
By being dependent.
Yeah.
So a lot of people don't understand that, you know, if you're helping yourself, people are more inclined to help you.
You know, I'm saying this. Just sorry that everything is happening the way it is now, even in Trenchtown, because basically this is the second time I've been around you and all of this. You always come with some positive things and your knowledge and experience of certain things need said some of the youths them to hear all of this. They need somebody to talk to them and listen. It takes a time as soon as
people just don't understand the extent of which they are responsible for themselves.
right.
Sometimes people develop or they learn that, hey, when everything is on you,
Right.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That might sound simple, but unfortunately, I had to learn it the hard way myself. Because when I was younger, I used to go like, until I realized that if I don't do it, it doesn't get done.
Right.
You know, the government is not going to come and help you raise your kids, help them with their homework or anything like that. That's on you. So if you succeed, you take the credit. But you should also take the credit when you fail. You can't blame people for
No.
And your failure should be a lesson that you use to try again.
Try again.
And until you succeed.
Of course.
But everything is on you.
Yeah.
And once I start taking full responsibility for everything, my personal health, my relationship with my wife, finance, my job, the way I present myself, the way I allow people to think of me by my action, because you can't really allow people to think anything of me. And try to get a positive feedback and move on. But it's on you. If you sit there, you're going to fail. You have to move, you have to put an effort in it.
Of course.
And nobody is going to come and give you anything. They will assist you, but you know, because if you look at this area, this is the affluent area, right? And its affluence and niceness is based on the people that live here. They produce things and they pay tax to the government, and the government knows that, look, this money is accounted for as best as you possibly can with this or that, but it's a general thing where people can participate.
You has to pull yourself out of your own situation.
If you want to start with a trade or with school or something, and move around or do something, you know, but that's the lesson I didn't know when I was younger. So when I was in my late teens, I became fully responsible for myself. And these are the things that I had to learn as I went along, you know what I mean? Nobody's coming to rescue me. And at first, it's frightening, but after a while, it's a challenge. I embrace that challenge. This looks good.
Thank you.
Oh, you got no gravy?
Oh, you want more gravy?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good gravy, people.
Yeah, I like gravy.
Most hot time, you can smell it.
Put some juice
smell
in
it?
it.
Yeah?
No man, it's good. Hot. So it's hot.
So if you had
We got the curry goat,
Yes.
some pop chow
yeah.
with nice and peas.
Nice and peas. Whoa!
Whoa, oh, that's it. Whoa, nice and peas.
Yeah, man.
Raw.
Let me try this out.
Yeah, this is a local Devon style.
See somebody on the line out there working. You know who their boss is? Korea. They're South Korea.
You never know that.
Never know.
Roger? You never know that, cause you know that.
No, we never know which country the owner, but we know say it's not owned by Jamaicans.
But me just think of Americans.
No, you never think of American. No,
And here's the problem.
it wasn't
Nice man
American.
or guardsman owned by American. No.
Well, here's the problem now. Jamaica cannot.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican don't have.
Local goat, huh?
I say local goat.
Local goat.
And that's why the price cannot come down because
Yeah.
there's no competition.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You have another company say, hey, I'll provide this for you at a better rate.
But what happening right now, that's so most of the ocean that putting up now, most of the business place them,
You know.
prepaid light and all these things.
Well, I hope that helped. You know, it might sound simple to you. Say a guy or a gal have perishable products to sell, and you take it downtown. Time is against you.
Yeah.
Because let's say you're a fish or meat, but you can't afford light to keep it cold.
Yeah, God bless.
Sometimes it's the discipline thing, you
Follow
know.
what you fly.
It will learn and teach most of them how to discipline when it comes to bills, how to pay bills. Because they grew up in a culture where you don't want to pay bills. You don't used to it. You understand? So whenever time that change now, them will understand say you have to go out there and you have to put out in order to get it. Everything not going to just come to you, so you sit there and just feel like say water, light and all these things. Telephone. We used to be in the same culture. And when everything crack up down there and we'd have to leave them town. That's when I go up there and know so well. The phone bill a come, the light bill a come, the water bill a come, kids to go to school, rent for pay and all of these things. All of that we used to get free.
So you have to step up the
So
game.
you'd have to step up the game and it changed me to who I am today. You understand? So you just have to start with yourself and know so nothing come free.
True.
If you don't put in, you don't take out.
Yeah.
And if you depend on somebody else to do something for you, it's not gonna work out.
No.
So it's up to us to make the change within ourselves.
Them say anything you want free, you must be dumb. So that's why they call it freedom.
Freedom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything you want free, you must be dumb. So they call it freedom. That is the saying.
Well, it's a culture we're embedded in the house, so we need to change, huh? Yeah. And that's why most of us so lay back and expect everything to just happen for us. And then when it don't happen, we blame the system and we blame this and we blame that and you're not blaming myself. Who is you need to go out there and make it happen for you.
Nobody to blame but you, man.
Yeah.
It's not easy, I know that.
Yeah.
It's not easy.
You have to take it on your own.
Sometimes it takes you years just to get your foot through the door.
True.
Yeah.
And it's even harder to
I
keep
even
your
know
foot
about
in
this
the door
struggle.
than before you get
I
to
know
the
we still a struggle, boy. Just still not make it. I know we still a struggle.
Yeah.
You see that and you still not make it.
Yeah, but the thing, you know, not everybody gonna make it, you know.
No.
Not everybody gonna make it.
But
For me, success is to have a measure of dignity in yourself.
yeah.
It doesn't necessarily mean rich.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
But if you can live with some basic dignity, you know,
Yeah.
let's just say and some food to eat. Basic. It's not about being rich.
You hear that?
I understand.
Understand? You have to overstand. You can't understand.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.